Okay, everyone, today we're going to be talking about something called Smoosh factor. So we're going to start by taking some notes, and what I want you to do first is I want you to put the date in the upper right-hand corner. So go ahead and do that. And we're going to be talking about Smoosh factor. And if you talk to your friends around the neighborhood, or even someone, an adult or someone else that you knew, they're not going to know what Smoosh factor is, because Smoosh factor isn't really a scientific term. It's something that was made up by some teachers to explain kinetic energy. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be throwing some objects against a pillow covered with foil. And then we're going to look at the amount of smush that it makes, and it's going to represent kinetic energy. So what we're going to do first is make a table. So start at the top, and we're going to start with writing it out. And the question we're going to ask today is, how much does an object indent the foil, or how much smush does an object make? And the things that I'm going to have someone throw against the pillow covered with foil is going to be an apple ball, a yellow squishy ball, a softball, and a paperweight. So the first thing we need to do is make a table. And in this particular experiment, we're going to be doing 3 different trials. So go ahead and make a table in your journal. And I'm going to make one up on the board here. Try to even out these little spaces here. And whenever we do an experiment, we usually do more than one trial. In this case, we're going to be doing different speeds. So we're going to be throwing the objects at a different speed. So at the top here, we're going to write move this up a little bit. There we go. We're going to write trial 1. And this is going to be slow. Trial 2, medium. And trial 3, fast. And then down the side, we're going to be writing the objects. So the first object is an apple ball. It's just a squishy ball that looks in the shape of an apple. The next is going to be see if I can move this down a little bit, is going to be the yellow squish ball. Let me get this straightened out a little bit. The next one is going to be I'll move this over a little. Wow, I lost it. Let me try again here. Going to be a soft ball. And the final one is going to be a paperweight. Move that one up a little bit. So what we're going to be doing is, like I said, we're going to be going outside. We're going to be throwing these different objects against a pillow covered with foil, and we're going to be looking at the amount of smush that the object makes into the foil. We're going to measure it with a meter stick, and we're going to measure it in centimeters. And then we're going to talk about what are the factors that cause the smush, and this is going to influence kinetic energy.